Namaste. Welcome back to our today's online class. Today, in the English class, we are going to discuss about the grammar part. Okay? Which part? Grammar part. Grammar. In that, we are going to discuss about articles. Before going to start an articles, we all know alphabets, is it? How many alphabets in English? Yes, there are 26 letters in English, is it? Okay, can you name them one by one? Come on. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, North, C. Is it? These are all the alphabets from A to Z. In that, A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters, we call it as ovals. What we call it as? Ovals. Can you name them one by one? S, A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters we call it as ovals. A, E, I, O, U. And the rest of all the letters we call it as consonants. What we call it as? Consonants. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. These 21 letters we call it as the consonants. B, C, D, E, F up to Z. We call it as the consonants. Is it clear? Now move to the articles. Do you know what are articles? S, and, the. These 3 words we call it as an articles. And, the are called articles. In the and stands for ovals. And stands for ovals. And stands for consonants. And, or, one. They are a singular countable nouns. And are a singular countable nouns, and they can use for a single person or a thing. And are a one person. They are countable nouns. They are singular countable nouns. Is it clear? Look. And, are a singular countable nouns. Okay. And, or one. These are all a singular countable nouns. Is it clear? Okay. Now in articles there are two kinds. How many kinds of articles? Two kinds of articles. Two kinds. One is definite article. One is definite article. And another one is indefinite article. Indefinite article. Here, a and an are comes under the indefinite articles. They are a singular countable nouns and they comes under a indefinite article. A and an are comes under the indefinite articles and the is comes under the definite article. The is comes under the definite article. The is used for the particular things. For the particular things we have to use the. Any doubts about it? Is it clear? Okay, now we more have to understand about a and an we are using. I told you an is used in the vowel sounds where a, e, I, o, u are using. On the time we are using an. Is it? When the word starts from a, e, I, o, u, on the time we are using and. When the word starts with B, C, D, E, F up to Z, on that time we are using A. Is it? Now I will show some examples. Look here. I am writing an apple, an egg. Is it? An ice cream. And all. Is it? These are all the examples for vowel sounds. Although U is also vowel, is it? But look, I am writing a university. A university. Here I have to use an. Is it? I have to use an, but I am using university as it. Why I am using university? Because look, you. I am pronouncing it as a you. It sounds like a what? It sounds like a consonant sound. The you means you. Is it? For that reason I am using a. Although it is a vowel, but it sounds as making a consonant. So I am using a. Is it? Same. I will show one more example. Look. And our and honest. Is it? H is a consonant. Is it? H is a consonant. For that I have to write a. But I am writing an. Why I am writing an? In note, H is a silent word. H is a silent word and I am pronouncing it as our. Our. Honest. So, it sounds like a vowel. Is it? It sounds like a vowel. So, I am using an. Although it is a consonant, but it sounds like a vowel. So, I am using an. Exception in these cases, we are using and interchanging. Okay. Any doubts about it? Is it clear? And the is used for a particular things. Particular things we have to use the. Where we have to use while representing about the mountains, oceans, seas and the directions and the holy books. On that time we are using the. Is it clear? Any doubts about it? Hope everyone is understand about the articles. Now I want to play a video about this article. Please watch the video and come back.
Hello dears, Namaste. In the today class, we are going to discuss about the articles. Do you know what are articles? Words used before and modifies noun on the function as adjectives, specific or general, a and the or the three articles. Now there are types of articles. In the two types, one is definite article and another one was indefinite article. The is comes under the definite article, that means they tell about the specific or unique. Indefinite articles are a, an. Indefinite articles are a, an. They will say about in general. And there are types of articles already I shown. Just I give you some example. Here is a group of apples. In that we have to mention indefinite article is I want to eat an apple from the group of apple. I want to eat an apple. In that an apple. In general, I want to eat any one of them from the group. Look for a definite article. I want to eat the apple which is at first position from the group of apple. I want to eat the apple which is at first position. That is a specific, that we call it as a definite article. Is it clear, children? Now we when to use a or an. We know that English contains 26 alphabet. Is it yours? Yes, there are 26 letters in English, and that 5 are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. We call these 5 letters are vowels. And rest of them are consonants. There are 21 consonants. B, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are called as consonant sound. Is it? We use an in the vowel sound and we use a in the consonant sound. Okay. Now an enemy, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella. These are all examples for vowel sounds, and there is one exception is there. Look, an hour, an hour. Is it? Here H is a silent letter. H is a silent letter. We pronounce it as a vowel sound. Is it? Hour, is it? O-U-R, hour. Is it? So of course, it is a consonant, but its sounds is vowel. So, we are using an. Okay. Same like that, we look after the consonant sounds. A boy, a woman, a horse, a book, a European, a university, a ₹1 note. A European. Is it? E is a oval, but it sounds as consonant. Is it? For that only we are using university. You. You pronounce what? Y-O-U-U. Is it? That is consonant sound. So you are using A. Is it any doubts about it, children? Is it clear?
Hope everyone is understand the today's topic. Now we move to the exercise part. Okay, dears, all of you open your book, grammar textbook. Come on.
Look, dears, all of you open your book, English grammar textbook, page number 37, chapter 6, articles. We know that an, the are called articles. We use with a singular countable noun which begins with a consonant sounds. B, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are all we call it as a consonant sounds, is it? In the a book, a pen, a dog, a fan, etc. But an hour, an honest man. Here, H is a consonant sound, is it? But while pronouncing, it is a vowel sound. Hour, is it? Here, H is a silent word. We pronounce it as a hour. So that only I am using an. Okay, dears? Is it clear? Now, we use an with a singular countable noun which begins with a vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters we call it as the vowels. An aunt, an elephant, an old man, but a university, a one-legged man. Here I am using a for university because university. Y-O-U-U is a sound. It is a consonant sound. So I am using a. Any doubts about it? Same like that, a one-legged man. Although O is a vowel, but its sounds was consonant. So I am using a. Any doubts about it, children? Is it clear? Where to use a and where to use an. Okay, dears? The. Where we use the. The is used when we refers to a thing in a particular things. When we are referring on the time, we have to use the floor, the door, the school. Second thing is when we mention a thing again. When we are mentioning the thing again, on the time we use the. Look, long ago there was a king. Long ago there was a king. The king is like that. We are using the. Before the names of a river, seas, mountains and oceans, we use the. For examples, the Ganga, the Bay of Bengal, the Blue Mountains, the Indian Ocean. Before the names of a newspaper and a holy books, that's also we can use the. We know that while we are telling a Vijaya times, the Vijaya times, the Times of India, the Bhagavad Gita, the Bible, the Quran. Is it like that?
And also we can use the in the names of it directions, the east, the west, the south, the north, etc. like that. Okay. Next thing, before the names of a thing which is only one of its kind, there is no other kind, only one of its kind, on the time also we can use the sun, the Taj Mahal, the Qutub Minar, the moon, like that. Okay. And also we can use the before an adjective in the superlative degrees, while we are using the in the superlative degrees, means the biggest, the most beautiful building, etc. like that. On that time we are using the. Understand clear, children? Is it clear where we have to use ye and the? Is it clear now? Hope everyone has enjoyed the today's grammar class, is it? And do the grammar work properly in your textbook work. Okay, dears? Bye. Take care. Have a nice day.